have Motorola Moto G31, and today I'm going to show you how to enter secret codes on this device, and also will show you some of these secret codes. So to enter secret codes, you have to open the keypad on your device and enter secret codes here. And the first code for today will be *##, *4636 *##, and this is the testing menu. It's not like you can test something here, you can just view a lot of different informations about your device in this menu, like phone information, app usage statistics, you can find some Wi-Fi informations too, even some Wi-Fi configuration. For example, you can disable network, disconnect from it here. So yeah, could be pretty useful. The next code will be *##, *225 *##, and this is the calendar info menu. So here you can view calendars if you have any of them added on your device. The next code *##, *426 *##, and this is the FCM diagnostics menu. Here you can view a lot of information about your Wi-Fi connection, so could be useful too. The next code is gonna be interesting. This is like *##, *2486 *##, and this is the real testing menu. In this menu you can test all the features on your device, like audio, battery, Bluetooth, camera, headset, keys, sensor, SIM card, and a lot of other features which you can see on this screen. You can perform a test of them to see like if they work properly or is there any issue with them. Like, very useful menu, you should try it out. The next code will be *##, and this is the regulatory information. And the last code for today will be *##, and this is the code which displays your IMEI1, IMEI2, and also your serial number. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.